Hi all, welcome to Snowflake Scholars Knowledge Sharing Sessions. I'm Lakshmi. Today we are going to discuss on how to create a Snowflake trial account. Before going into current session, let's have a quick recap on what we have discussed in the last session. So in the last session, we have discussed about what is Snowflake, what are the benefits and features of Snowflake, and why the companies are preferring to use the Snowflake. Also, we discussed the traditional DB architecture and about shared disk, shared nothing architectures, and the modern Snowflake DB architecture, which is a combination of shared disk and share nothing, and benefits out of this combination. Also, we discussed the Snowflake architecture in detail, like what is cloud storage layer, what is computing services layer, and cloud services layer, which is a brain of Snowflake, right? And also, we have discussed about various cloud service providers in which your Snowflake account going to be deployed. Okay, so the people who haven't looked at my last video, kindly go and watch that video. I'll be giving the video link in the description. So if you watch that video, it will be comfortable for you to understand Snowflake in further sessions very comfortably. Okay, let's go into current session. So how to create a Snowflake trial account? Trial account is created for learning purposes, but the companies who are running the business, they will be creating an actual Snowflake account, which is not a trial account. Okay, so to create a Snowflake trial account, you need to follow these steps. The first step is like you need to have a working Gmail address, and second one is like you need to Google search Snowflake free trial, and fill in go to the Snowflake a sign up link, and fill in all the details that are asked, and choose your cloud service provider in which your Snowflake account wants to be deployed, and select a region in which region you will prefer to share your data and use your computing machines. Okay, there will be different regions, and activate you once you created a Snowflake account, you will get a activation email to your Gmail, and you have to click on that link and activate your Snowflake account. After that, you need to choose your preferred username and password. Finally, you need to sign in the Snowflake account. We will do all these steps practically. Okay, so go to the browser, and this is my working Gmail. I created a sample Gmail, like with Jesse name, and I'm going into the browser Google and search just Snowflake trial account. Okay, you are seeing a link over here, right? Just click on this. Now, see, you are able to see a form here, right, to fill in the details. Before filling the form, I would like to discuss something here. So this is a 30-day free trial account. So that means once you created this account, you will be able to use only 30 days. And after that, if you have to use this 30 day, after using this 30 days, yeah, you have to make it premium, then only you will be able to use that account further, or else it will be deprecated. Okay, now see here, start your 30-day free Snowflake trial, which includes $400 worth of free usage. What is this $400? It's nothing but a cost that will be charged when we will be using a storage and also computing machines. But since this is a 30-day free trial account, they were giving you $40 of free usage. Either it is a storage or computing, they are giving you $400 of free usage. Okay, now let's start with filling this form. Let me fill this form, like I'm giving a name Jesse, last name is Brown, email that I created for Jesse is at gmail.com, Okay. Company, since we are using for personal use, just give some ABC company here. It's not, it will not be validated. And the role, for which purpose you are, trying to use this Snowflake account. Either you are a business analyst, business executive, consultant, data engineer. So there are several roles here. So for now, I'm selecting, um, since we are looking for data engineer positions, and we are learning Snowflake to become a data engineer. I'm choosing data engineer, but it's not mandatory. You can choose your own role there. And I'm selecting India as my country, and click on continue here. If you already have a Snowflake account, just click on this to sign in into an existing account. Continue. See, just concentrate here. We have three Snowflake editions. One is standard, enterprise, business, critical. So standard edition will have only some basic features. You will not be able to use like time travel concept, multi-cluster warehouses, materialized views. All these you will not be able to use in the standard feature. Okay, so that is why I'm not choosing standard there. And in if in the enterprise edition, you will be able to use an extra features like 90-day time travel, multi-cluster warehouses, materialized views, and many other features. All these topics like time travel, multi-cluster warehouses, and materialized views we will be discussing in the future sessions. And business critical is, which the edition which is used by the companies. This addition will allow you for the enhanced data security. Security factors are provided, like extra security features factors are provided in this business critical, and database failover fallback features are also provided in this business critical. So I'm choosing now business critical, because this addition will allow me to discuss about various topics in the Snowflake, but enterprise and standard warehouse will not allow me to discuss on the security features. So that is why I'm preferring business critical here. And see below, it is asking you to choose your cloud provider: Azure, Amazon Web Services, and Google Cloud Platform. It is up to you which cloud provider you want to choose, but I am preferring to choose AWS. So that means my Snowflake account will be using AWS data centers and AWS computing machines, um, to execute my queries. That means if I'm trying to store some data in Snowflake, it is going to store it in AWS S3 buckets, and it is going to use AWS computing machines to execute my queries. Okay. And see, it is asking a region. It want to store your data and computing machines. That means if you choose one of the region here, um, the data, the basic data center, your data is going to be stored is in that region. So better to choose your nearest region, okay, which is available nearest region. Previously, it used to support the Mumbai region, but now they are not. AWS is not supporting the Mumbai region. So I am preferring Singapore region, which is the nearest AWS data center to us. Okay, that is why I am preferring Asia Pacific Singapore region. Right, it's up to you which region you want to select, but companies will prefer to choose their own region. Like in US, their company is established, and they want to choose the nearest region to their company. Okay. And so we have done with choosing the region as well. So click here to indicate that you have read all the agreements and terms of Snowflake. You can go and click on this link and read the terms and agreements that Snowflake is specifying. For now I'm not reading it, so just click on get started. So let's select all the squares here, some security related things here. So let's select. Okay. Okay. This image is not clear to me. Let's go to that. Select all the bio skills. Okay. Okay. Verify. Yeah, it's done. So thanks for signing up with Snowflake. That means half of your work is done. So it is asking some of the questions here. Okay. These questions are used as a survey because Snowflake is evolving like anything. So based on this survey, Snowflake is going to make some enhancements to its software. So why are you signing up for a trial account? So I'm uh, choosing this one. Okay, personal learning and development purpose. So you can choose anything, or you can skip the questions as well. Here, see, you have a skip button, but I am preferring to answer these questions. So what you will use Snowflake for? So for now I am selecting run analytics and connect to visualization provider and create a data warehouse, and that's it. Yeah, okay, continue. Select your preferred language to work in. So I'm preferring SQL and Python. Okay, but you can choose your preferred ones. Submit. Yeah, done. You are now signed up. Let's see. We have get a mail. We will receive a email from Snowflake to activate your Snowflake account. Yep. So just click on this and see. Yes, you have been you are given a link here to activate it. So let's go and click to activate here. It is asking to choose your username, password, and confirm the password. So let's give my username as Jessie, and I'm just giving some password. Okay, done. I have done. So click on OK, and Snowflake account is created for you. See how the Snowflake account is created, and you are clearly saying 30 days left in the trial. That means you can use 30 days still. And if you want to upgrade it and make it premium, you can just upgrade it by paying money. And now we will see, did we get any email here? Yes. So here we got an email saying your username is this and your dedicated URL is this. So this is nothing but a specific URL given to you. Okay, so just see whether we will be able to log in into this link or not. Okay, I'm signing out from here because I want to check whether I'll be able to uh, log in into that using this URL. Okay, I open the URL. Yeah, Jessie is my username and giving my password here. Sign in. Yeah, perfect. We are able to open the Snowflake using our given URL. That's it. So yeah, this is all about creating a Snowflake trial account. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching this video. I would like to ask you, like, please like, share, and subscribe my channel. This will really energize me to do more and more good videos. Thank you. Thank you so